very good feature.
You want a feature?
This better be on good enough garage.
Good enough garage? No. My crew media. Getting some McDonald's. Ah. We're almost there. There he is. Here's the last time you'll see it at stock height. We're gonna get rid of this wheel gap right here. Trash. Hold on, I gotta
wheel lock. How close your trunk? Okay. Do you have 4? Or do you only have 2?
I have 4, but...
Bend over again.
Huh?
So bend over again.
No. Right in front of the camera. Show them all that ass.
Yoink. Yoink. I know, I'm not good at that.
Oh.
Oh.
And then the next box.
Fuck off. This is a
I need to keep this box for.
How long are you going to keep your Jeep running for?
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot about that.
Then what?
I guess,
10
wait, no,
minutes?
I'm stupid. This is the rear, but which side is it?
the last.
Yoink.
What time?
12, but like...
Okay, so then you have until...
Yeah, thank God. Cause
Thank
this is...
God.
Look at that. Look at that, YouTube. So,
It's not in focus. What you mean?
Yeah, hold it halfway.
look, this is round. Like Preston's bald head with no flow. This is squared. Like my mullet.
Look at this.
Make sure the lines face the right way.
Don't pull a Tyler Moto.
Yeah.
It should go...
This way.
You should see the L. Because you drive a Subaru, so you see L's all the time.
I got top hats, so that saved us a few hours.
Yeah, because Mick had to run home and grab a tool.
Oh yeah.
Barney had the coolest Arthur.
You got it? Okay, so we got the coilovers in. It's now what, 12 o'clock?
It's like 11:30. She's like, hey boys, come over.
It's 11:37. We started all of this at 5.
4.
4? Yeah, we started this at 4. But look how low it already is. Got it? Got it? You sure? Here's the old one. I'm tired. You okay, Preston?
Waiting for bedtime.
When we set the front down, the jack wouldn't move. But that's Mac's camera on the front. Out for these are the stock struts, strut bolts. What's up?
Here, just use these.
Isn't there any wood in the rubber box out there?
No, there's only 2 pieces.
Almost landed.
Slow as fuck.
What box am I putting the things in?
There's only one way to do this.
Oh fuck.
You're gonna have to move his car.
Okay, well, counter us. Hotel? Preston? Hey, Jaden, you're maxed out in the back.
Am I really?
We maxed it out.
You maxed out the back? So the front has like
The front ones are how they came out of the box.
So the middle then around you think?
You're not focused. You're still not focused.
Tap on it.
I am. It's not focusing. You're scraping just a little bit, but you're fine. Oh, not a little bit.
Because I'm literally going stupid side. I'm going in reverse. Get the flash.
Damn.
Hold on.
You're not even low. I can fit my whole foot in there. Fuck.
The roads here are really bad
Alright.
until we get onto out and then around. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna scrape. This is a low rider.
And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll post a before and after photo of the install at the end. And later on in the week, I'll put off a 1 week review of the coilovers and see if it's worth it or not. But thank you so much. Later.